colors have a profound impact on our psychological and emotional well-being. Different colors can evoke specific feelings, moods, and associations, and they are often used in various contexts, including marketing, interior design, and art therapy. Here are some common psychological effects associated with different colors. Red. Red is a vibrant and intense color that is often associated with energy, passion, and excitement. It can increase heart rate and evoke strong emotions. Red is also associated with power and can stimulate appetite. However, excessive exposure to red can also create feelings of anger or aggression. Blue. Blue is a calming and serene color that is often associated with tranquility and peace. It can lower blood pressure, slow down the heart rate, and promote relaxation. Blue is also associated with trust, dependability, and productivity. However, too much blue can sometimes induce feelings of sadness or melancholy. Yellow. Yellow is a bright and cheerful color that is often associated with happiness, optimism, and warmth. It can stimulate mental activity and promote creativity. Yellow is also associated with increased energy levels. However, excessive yellow can lead to feelings of anxiety or restlessness. Green. Green is a color that represents nature, balance, and harmony. It is often associated with growth, freshness, and renewal. Green has a calming effect and can help reduce stress. It is also associated with feelings of abundance and wealth. However, for some individuals, green can be associated with envy or jealousy. Orange. Orange is an energetic and vibrant color that combines the warmth of red and the cheerfulness of yellow. It is often associated with enthusiasm, creativity, and excitement. Orange can stimulate social interaction and appetite. However, like red, excessive exposure to orange can create feelings of restlessness or anxiety. Purple. Purple is a color often associated with luxury, royalty, and spirituality. It can evoke a sense of mystery, creativity, and wisdom. Purple is also calming and can promote a sense of relaxation. However, too much purple can be overwhelming and create feelings of introspection or moodiness. Pink. Pink is a color often associated with femininity, tenderness, and nurturing. It can create feelings of warmth, love, and compassion. Pink is also soothing and can help alleviate feelings of anger or aggression. However, in some contexts, pink can be associated with passivity or immaturity. It's important to note that cultural and personal experiences can influence individual responses to colors, and different shades or tones of a color can have varying effects. Additionally, the psychological effects of colors can be used in combination to create specific atmospheres or evoke desired emotions.